Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you really quickly. I 3D printed some hard drive brackets. Now, I didn't completely think through how I was going to attach these to a PC case. So these little holes pop out on this one. I've already popped them out on this guy. This is where you would screw into the side of a hard drive. So these are for larger mechanical hard drives, and I have two of them. I actually think I printed out three at least. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So you'd slide the hard drive in there, and these would go inside a PC case. Now, how I would attach them to the PC case, that's a whole other story. But yeah, that was a bit of an issue, and they're not as, and they're pretty reasonably good. They would work out well, but I opted not to use these. So if you saw my video where I built my NAS, actually rebuilt my NAS and my backup NAS. Right? I think it was more for my backup NAS, but and I also did a home lab PC that I built recently too, or rebuilt. So I rebuilt both of those, and yeah, I put some hard drive brackets in those, and I actually opted to use metal brackets. You can see those in my previous video. I did, I think, a video just on the brackets, and I did one on how I used them in those systems. But essentially, anyways, I opted to use metal brackets that I purchased on Amazon instead of these. But these would have been an okay option. Really, what I should have done is I should have probably printed these out pre-connected like this, because if they're like this, they're just loose. You're putting them on a hard drive, and then you just have to stick it in your case and figure out some way to connect this to the case. I should have had multiple brackets like this, print them out all as one piece, and maybe had something on this to connect to the case. I don't know. I should have come up with something else, and I didn't. So there's that. Plus, they're not as stable as they're not as sturdy. They're pretty reasonably sturdy, but not as sturdy as the metal brackets. And I feel like the metal brackets will take heat a little bit better too. Not that they produce that huge of an amount of heat, but anyways, I opted to go with the metal brackets. So but I just wanted to share these because I went through the trouble to 3D print these. They've kind of been sitting in a box waiting to basically never get used. I'm probably never going to use these, probably. Maybe I'll print some out and use them in the future, print some new ones, think it through a little bit better, and just treat these as a prototype. But for now, these are not getting used. But I did want to, since I'm not doing anything with these, I wanted to at least record some kind of video to share this, because I felt like this is something that is shareable and that people might be interested in seeing. So yeah, here you go. Just wanted to share this. I felt like somebody might be interested in seeing what I printed out, and my thought process on whether or not I should use these, or go with the other brackets, which I went with the others. But yeah, just thought this might be interesting to someone. So if you found this interesting, give me a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button. If not, if you didn't find this interesting, you should still subscribe, because we do a whole lot more interesting content. We do hardware, software, and all sorts of great stuff: electronics, Linux, Windows, Macs, everything, robots, Raspberry Pis, all kinds of interesting stuff you don't want to miss out on. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on that next video.